Happy Monday, everybody. Let's get this week started. Seems like I've been doing a lot of teamwork jobs this year, at least starting this year anyway. Back out here with Chris and Davey at another property where this customer wants to put artificial turf in their whole backyard, but they still need those bushes watered, so we're running a brand new zone that's just gonna water those bushes all the way around this backyard with MP rotator nozzles, side strips specifically. So let us get this finished and I'll show you what that looks like when we put the water on. Meet our wildlife photographer here, Chris, as he films this rabbit, Peter Rabbit. Later, Peter Rabbit. Hey, Chris, I got a new challenge for us. I just ate a 10-piece nugget and fries. Let's see how quick we can get this job done before we need a bathroom. All right, Chris is over there by the controller getting it turned on so that we can start adjusting all of the nozzles and finish our somewhat cleanup. Now, you won't see us clean this one up too much because they're going to come into this backyard and they're going to add fill like you see like this right here to level out this backyard and then put artificial turf like I said earlier. All right, and there you have it. MP rotators under the bushes with side strip nozzles. And then at the other end over there, we got the 3000s to cover this area because this area will stay a green space while behind it will all be artificial turf. So they're gonna fill all this in, like I said earlier, and place artificial turf here. There were rotors out here, there aren't anymore. Thanks to this MP rotator zone. All right, on to the next one.